Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage passive income with Wells Fargo step by step clearly. To effectively manage passive income with Wells Fargo, begin by assessing your current financial situation. Review your income sources and determine how much you would like to invest for passive income. Set clear financial goals and timelines for your passive income strategy. Next, research various investment options available through Wells Fargo. Explore options such as savings accounts, CDs, stocks, and mutual funds. Open a Wells Fargo account if you don't already have one. Choose an account type that aligns with your investment strategy. Once your account is set up, transfer funds to begin your passive income investments. Consider utilizing Wells Fargo's automated investment tools to simplify the process. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk and enhance your income potential. Regularly monitor your investments through Wells Fargo's online banking platform. Review your financial goals periodically to ensure you are on track. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on market conditions and personal circumstances. Stay informed about interest rates and market trends that may affect your passive income. Use Wells Fargo's resources, including financial advisors and educational webinars, for guidance. Finally, remain patient and allow your investments to grow over time. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your passive income with Wells Fargo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.